से आत्मघाती हईल हमारा जीवन सदा पाप हमारा जीवन सदा पापे रहता नहीं को पुण्येरा लेश हमारा जीवन सदा पापे रहता नहीं को पुण्येरा लेश परयायुद्वे दियाचे जे काता परयायुद्वे दियाचे जे काता दियाचे जीवेरा क्लेशा दियाचे जीवेरा क्लेशा निज सुख लागी पापे नाही डरी दयाहीन स्वार्थ पारा निज सुख लागी पापे नाही डरी दयाहीन स्वार्थ पारा पर सुख दुखी सदा मिथ्याभाषी पर सुख दुखी सदा मिथ्याभाषी पर दुख सुखकार पर दुख सुखकार अशेष कामना रीति माझे मोरा कृदंब पारायणा कामना विधि माझे मोरा क्रोधदांब पारायणा मदमथ सदा विषय मोहिता मदमथ सदा विषय मोहिता हिंसगर्भ विभूषण हिंसगर्भ विभूषण निद्रलस्याहता सुकार्य विरता अकार्य उद्योगायामि निद्रलस्याहता सुकार्य विरता अकार्य उद्योगायामि प्रतिष्ठा लागिया सत्याचरण प्रतिष्ठा लागिया सत्याचरण लोभहत सदा कामी लोभहत सदा कामी तेनो दुर्जना सजना विचिता अपराधी निरंतरा तेनो दुर्जना सजना विचिता अपराधी निरंतरा शुभ कार्य शून्य सदनार्थ मान शुभ कार्य शून्य सदनार्थ मान नाना दुखे जरा जरा नाना दुखे जरा जरा वदलेखना उपया विहीना तत् दीनाय उपयामीना तत् दीनाय किंचन भक्ति विनोद प्रभुराचरणे भक्ति विनोद प्रभुराचरणे करे दुख निवेदन करे
Rupa Manjari Padam Sei Mora Sampada Shri Rupa Manjari Padam Sei Mora Sampada Shri Rupa Manjari Padam Sei Mora Sampada Shri Rupa Manjari Padam Sei Mora Sampada Sei Mora
চরণারেণু ভূষণ কোরিয়া তনু রাধিকা চরণারেণু ভূষণ কোরিয়া তনু অনায়াসে পাবে গিরিধারী অনায়াসে পাবে গিরিধারী রাধিকা চরণাশ্রয় যে করেছে মহাশয় রাধিকা চরণাশ্রয় प्रभु की जय जय श्री राधे जय श्री वृंदावनधारी श्री राधा बिहारी की जय श्री राधा वृंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन की जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय वैष्णवीद गौर भक्त वृंद की जय गौर प्रेमानंद ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिशिष्ये श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद राधाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So continue. We also discuss this bhajan rasha. Pratham jam sadhan. First jam sadhan. Nisanta lila Shraddha. The end of the night and Shraddha. Also here Bhaktivinoda Thakur. This Pratham jam sadhan. First he also explained, in this Kali Yuga, everybody should chant holy names. Only by the remaining chanting of the holy names you attain to your highest perfection. Sarva Siddhi Govinda Charan. Sarva Siddhi means you attain to highest perfection or to attain the lotus feet of Govinda. So yesterday we also discussed this thing. Bhaktivinoda Thakur quoted this verse. The etavad neva loke osmin pumsan dharma parasmritah bhakti yoga bhagavati tannam granadi bhi. In this Kali Yuga, there are only one process to attain to Lord, that is called Nam Sankirtan. And this Nam Sankirtan, this is called the topmost Bhakti Yoga. Because by the performing of karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, one can attain to Lord. Because our Shastra very clearly explain, Bhakti reva nayati, Bhakti reva darsati, Bhakti vasa purusa, Bhakti eva bhosi. Bhakti reva nayati, Bhakti brings to Lords. Bhakti reva nayati. Bhakti reva darsyati. By the performing of bhakti, then you can direct take darshan to Lord. Then bhakti bhuasi, all the revealed scriptures, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everywhere glorifies about bhakti. And bhakti was of Bhagavan, Lord completely controlled by his bhakti. Then, so in this Kali Yuga, though many kinds of bhakti. How many types of bhakti? 81 types of bhakti. Not only one types of bhakti. Paramishra bhakti, Jnanamishra bhakti, Arop Siddha bhakti, Sangha Siddha bhakti, Sarup Siddha bhakti, Sattiki bhakti, Rajasi bhakti, Tamasic bhakti. If you, in this way, if you analyze, then you can see many kinds of bhakti. But Rupa Goswami Pad in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, he very nicely and scientific way and gives the definition about Suddha Bhakti. The Annabhilashita Sannam Jnana Karma Dana Britam Anukulyena Krishnam Silanam Bhakti Uttama. And Upanishad also gives many kinds of definition of Bhakti. Sa Pranurukti Vissari iti Bhakti. Sandilya Sutra. Sa Pranurukti Vissari iti Bhakti. Deep attachment towards Lord, this is also Bhakti. Sarupadi Vinirmuktam Tatparto Nirmanam Hishikesha sevanam bhaktir uchyate. So in this way, when you see our shastra, there are different kinds of bhakti also. But what kinds of bhakti will attain to Lord? Only Siddha bhakti. And this bhakti also different gradation. In this case, some will go Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, and Golok. So now coming in this way, the topmost bhakti actually this is called Nam Sankirtan. So here Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. The Nama Sankirtan, the topmost bhakti. Nam, so saying, Bhakti Yoga Bhagavati Bhavat Nam Granadi Bhi. Nam Sankirtan. Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Pada Sevanam, Archana Bandhanam, Dasa Sakhatma Nivedanam, Naveda Bhakti. Then Chaitanya Chaitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained again 5 types of bhakti. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, Mutravas, और श्रीमूर्ति श्रद्धा सेवा तार मध्य सर्वश्रेष्ठ नाम संकीर्तन निरपराधी नाम लइले पाए कृष्ण पदे प्रेमधन. If you chant holy names and giving up all kinds of offenses, niraparad nam, then you will attain sarvasiddhi govindachara. Nam sankirtan will happen. But how to do nam sankirtan? Rupa Goswami Pad in his nectar of instruction, Upadeshamrita also explained, Nam Rupucharitadi, Sukritananu Smato, Kramena Rasana, Monosini Jeju, Tistan Braje, Tadanu Ragi, Jananu Gami, Kalum Nayat, Akilam Itta Upadisha Sara. That was very clearly explained. Sadhaka Rupena, Siddha Rupena Chatrahi. Sadhaka Rupa and Siddha Rupa. And according to Sadhak form, and you also chant holy names, following all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. Adu Guru Godasray, Diksha Siksha, Visrambheno Guru Seva. These are 64 limbs of Bhakti. Sadhaka Rupena. And as like our previous Acharyas, Goswamis, they perform bhajan sadhana Vrindavan. Sankha Prabhuka Nama Gananati Vi Kala Avasana Krito Nidra Ahara Vijita Kachu Tattva Dinuchav Radha Krishna Gunasmriti Madhurima Anandena Sanmahito Vande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Srijiva Gopalako. These are 6 Goswamis. They perform bhajan and sadhana. So now coming in this way, Nam Sankirtan is powerful. Yesterday we also discussed how Nam Sankirtan, Sadhaka Rupena, or Siddha Rupena, those are very advanced devotees of Lord. That time they realized their transcendental constitution form, Siddha Deha, and absorbed the sweet pastimes of Radha and Krishna. Mahaprabhu told, Mone Mone Siddha Deha Koriya Bhavan Ratri Dine Radha Krishna Karahi Sevan. Mahaprabhu give this instruction. Those who are advanced devotees. Those who are not advanced devotees, they should follow the first part. Sadhaka Rupena. Sadhaka Rupena means according to your sadhak form and chant holy names, follow the 64 limbs of bhakti. And how to perform all kinds of anarthas. Anartha nivritti. Perform the anarthas. In the anartha dasha, you cannot to meditate Ashtakani Lila of Krishna. Some devotees think, I want to meditate Ashtakani Lila. First, you are always meditate your own Ashtakani Lila. So how to possible to meditate Krishna Ashtakani Lila? When you give up your own Ashtakani Lila, then you will be qualified to meditate Krishna Ashtakali Lila. Two Ashtakali Lila. Our wife, husband, children, this is also Ashtakali Lila. These are two round. I have many duty and responsibilities in my house duties. So how possible I will meditate Krishna Ashtakami Lila? It's impossible. For this God saying no. When you give up your Ashtakami Lila, understand? Your Ashtakami Lila, understand? Wake up early in the morning, then you have to prepare for your sons go to school. Then prepare some breakfast to your husband, then cleaning your house. Many things you have duty, responsibility. This is your Ashtakali Lila. Everybody, condition, though this is their Ashtakali Lila. Is it true or wrong? When you give up these types of Ashtakali, your own Ashtakali Lila, then you will qualify to Krishna Ashtakali Lila. At a time, two Ashtakali Lila, you cannot take place. In the case of the sword, only one sword can enter. Two sword cannot. Don't say. Brajavasis, they are saying this also proverbs. एक म्यार में दो तलवार नहीं रह सकते हैं. एक म्यार में the case of the sword. Only one sword can keep. Have you seen or not? Only one sword you can put. And you cannot do two. So that means at a time your Ashtakani Lila and Krishna Ashtakani Lila cannot meditate. Not possible. If you want to Krishna meditate, Krishna Ashtakani Lila, you have to give up your own Ashtakani Lila. This is many people think, oh, I want to meditate Krishna Ashtakani Lila. How possible? Impossible. And not also imaginary. Kalpanik not. Not imaginary. This Ashtakali Lila, Krishna Ashtakani Lila, automatically manifests in your heart. These are things. So now coming in this way. So sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena. For sadhak rup, in your sadhak form, you have to follow all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. And step by step you do bhajan and sadhan. Morning to evening, evening to morning, you worship your Thakurji and take your responsibilities, families. Then step by step, and you develop your bhajan and sadhan. This is your process. If you are a grihastha householder or you are a renounced order, this is not our subject. Jai bhaje sei bada abhakta hinchar Krishna bhajaner nahi jati uladi vichar. One who performs bhajan and sadhana, he is higher than others. You cannot establish the sannyasi is higher than grihastha or grihastha is higher than sannyasi. You cannot say this way. Who performs bhajan and sadhana, he is higher than others. Simple. If grihasthas doing bhajan and sadhana, higher than sannyasi, so grihastha is higher than sannyasi. As like Srivas Thakur. Who can compare with Srivas Thakur? Though Srivas Thakur, he was grihastha householder. But 24 hours absorbed with Mahaprabhu's Naam Sankirtan. You cannot do this way. Even sannyasi cannot do this. How Srivas Thakur do bhajan himself. Mahaprabhu once told Srivas, you are householder, you have wife, you have sons, daughters. Daughters, I don't know. Sons, Srivas Thakur. You are not doing any job, no work. How will maintain your families? are a householder. You have to do any work. Yeah? Understand? India, not government will give any penny. No help. And Western country little bit get some help from the government. Benefit. Understand? But Indian government, you are die or you will do anything, they will not look after.
No assistance.
No. Now little bit government little bit taking care to the poor people. And I saw in my life also. Government not looking after the poor people or helpless people, they are not. That's nothing. Eh? You do or die, what would no. Eh? So in the same way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Srivas, you are a householder. Eh? Your wife, your son, you have to take care. So you have to do some job. Eh? How will maintain your... Then Srivas Thakur, he made the 3 clubs. 1, 2, 3. Then Mahaprabhu told, what is the meaning? Then Srivas Thakur told, Prabhu, I am chanting holy names. Nam Sankirtan with you. Then, if I cannot to maintain my families, maybe one day I will be fast. Maybe next day I can fast. Then, 3rd day may I fast. 3 divas. 3 days I can fast. But 4th day I will not get any food. Then I will jump in the water of the Ganges. Then Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in the mood of Krishna. Then Mahaprabhu told Srivas, I promise to you, my consort Lakshmi Devi. Mahaprabhu thinking, I am Narayan, Gaur Narayan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Gaur Narayan. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, maybe Narayan, the consort of Narayan, Lakshmi, she will begging house to house and to maintain her life. But my devotee never will be beg and never will be full fast. Only Ekadashi may be full fast. Mahaprabhu told this. Then Mahaprabhu quoted one verse from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Ananyas chintanto mam jijana prajupasate tesa nittavi juktana jugokshemam vaham vaham. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, this sloka you know. You ananya chintanto, one panchayat to Krishna and doing bhajan and sadhan. And Krishna says in this verse, I will carry everything on my head, whatever his need. Jogakshemam. Jogakshemam is what things are maintained of his physical body. Understand? Cloth, food, medicine, everything I will carry on my head. And Kshema means, and also how to deliver from this material world. Everything I will do. Ananyas chintantamang jejana prajupasate tesa nittavi juktanang jogakshemam vaham vaham. Here Krishna saying, direct I will carry, not by others. I will do everything myself. So try to understand. Bhakti Pragan Kesar Goswami Maharaj, when Gurudev told this, Gurudev was crying. My Gurudev. So Bhakti Pragan Kesar Goswami Maharaj, the day of Ekadashi. That time his temple, no money. So he told all brahmachari should fast. Because Ekadashi is too much also. More than the other day, Ekadashi is too much expensive. So he told, okay, everybody should full fast. So no need to buy anything. No buy potato, no buy papaya, no need anything. No expenditure, nothing. So in this way, 10 o'clock, you are sitting in one chair and chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In the meantime, on his god brother came. Listen. His god brother name? Senior god brother. He came. Then they go, oh my God. How should I give order to my senior god brother? You should also full fast. He's my guest. He's coming to my temple. But I have no paisa. How to buy anything? Then he thinking, how to do? I'm chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Close his eyes and chanting holy name. Just in front of his feet. And something dropped.
From the sky.
And something dropped in the sky. And making sound. Then he closed his eyes. Open his eyes. Open his eyes. Then there's something inside the cloth, tied with the cloth. And actual the small bird, and flying and taking the small bundle of something this, and put down in front of his, just in front of his feet. Then he opened. They got there also, some coins. That time very valuable also. Then 32 or 36 coins. China piece, something this. Then Param Guru Maharaj told, hey, my god brother has come. Senior god brother. No need today. Fast. Ekadashi. Then he told to Brahmachari, okay, go to market and bring potato, bring paneer, everything. And today is full fast. Hey, what is called? Feast. Ekadashi feast. Not Dadashi feast, but Ekadashi feast. Then all Brahmachari, Gurudev, you told everybody, no, look, my god brother has come. Have to do. So for this regard, Gurudev, when he told this katha, Gurudev was crying and crying. Yeah, how Krishna arranged everything. So in the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Srivas, maybe the consort of Lord Narayan, Lakshmi Devi, she will beg to door, but my devotee not. So that means when these types of faith with Harinam, we will be chant holy names, and then Lord will fulfill all our Nam Sankirtan. This Nam Sankirtan is very powerful. This is this is true also. Nam Sankirtan is very powerful. So I am saying because Nam Sankirtan, Harinam. And how will you know what kinds of categories are devotees? Generally people they are thinking, oh, he knows many Shastra again, he's maybe Uttam Bhagavat. This is not the truth. One who chants holy names, these holy names, this is the categories. The Vaishnava, superior, who is superior Vaishnava? Mahaprabhu himself give these categories. This is ours. You read Chaitanya Charitamrita. Jar mukhe suni ek Krishna naam. One who chants only one Krishna naam. He is called Kanishta Vaishnava. Actually, he is Uttam Kanishta. And one who Nirantar, continuously chant holy names, he is called Madhyam Bhagavat. और जहारे देखी रही ऐसे कृष्ण नाम कहा के जानियो तुम्हें वैष्णव प्रधान. Understand? one is just taking his darshan, then Krishna Nam will be what? Automatically manifest in your tongue. It's called Uttam Bhagavad. And always I'm not criticizing, I'm saying just you write the Facebook, you Uttam Bhagavad, you're saying Uttam Bhagavad. So many Uttam Bhagavad. They don't know the Shastra Gyan. Because Chaitanya Charitamrita clearly explained. যাহারে দেখিলে আইসে কৃষ্ণ নাম তাহাকে জানিও তুমি ভাগবত প্রধান. Just taking darshan. But these types of Bhagavad is very, very rare. And Gurudev once told. And Gurudev once lecture, you can find out, Gurudev he told. What was the Uttam Mahabhagavat? I remember Gurudev. Gurudev told, I will say or not, maybe I will commit offense because I have no qualified to speak this katha. But Gurudev, just Gurudev words, I tell you. Repeat. So this is not my offense. If I repeat Gurudev word and I can understand Gurudev words, I don't understand anything. Just I repeat Gurudev words. You can understand. Gurudev told, even in our Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, even in our Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, Gurudev told, Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, maybe he attended Bhavdasa, maybe not, I don't know. Gurudev told. But Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, he attended Bhavdasa and something myself, he told. This is his word. So we cannot give any comments.
Very few, Very
few.
few.
How do you get this? So why will say the Uttam Mahabhagavat is what? Jahare dekhile aise Krishna naam. Just taking his darshan, Krishna naam will be what? Manifest. People are saying, oh, he is Uttam Mahabhagavat. He is Uttam Mahabhagavat. Once Gurudev also told this, then we say Gurudev told this katha. You can find out this lecture. That will good find. Tell to me. Sukdev Goswami, where will get the Sukdev Goswami path? Where will get? Narad Rishi. You try to understand. You try to understand these things. Narad Rishi, Sukdev Goswami, when he entered in the forest, just his darshan, everybody's praying manifested. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. Jang prabhadanto monopita apayita krittam daipayana viroha katura ajvava putri ritanma taro vinedu tam sarvabhuta hridaya muni manato osmin. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. When Sukdev Goswami Pad entered in the forest, just his darshan, then all the trees completely what? Stimulated with the Krishna prema and tears rolling down. These words of Vishwanath Pad and other Goswami commentaries. Jang prabhajanto monopeta apayita krittam daipayano viroha katura ajuhava putri tanma taro vinedu tam sarvabhuta hridam muni manato osmin. Sukdev Goswami Pad told Sonokadi Rishi, listen my Gurudev. What's my Gurudev? This type of Gurudev. So maybe a question where will be, everyone can get this type of good according to their fortune. You look at the Kono Bhagavan. Brahmanda Brahmite Kono ब्रह्मांड भ्रमित कोनो भगवान जी गुरु कृष्ण प्रसाद पाए भक्त या भगवान दिस very extreme fortune. Everybody cannot take darshan to Narad Rishi. Everybody cannot to meet with Sukdev Goswami Pad. For the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, he gives very nicely, elaborately explain the three categories of Uttam Mahabhagavat. Bhagavad Parshad Dehapato. First category. Then Uttam Mahabhagavat. That is called Narad Rishi. Once body, once those who is called the eternal associates of Krishna, Bhagavat Parshadya Prapta. Or second, Nirdhuta Kasar. From all kinds of kasar, material attachment. Nirdhuta Kasar. That is the example of Sukadev Goswami Pad. Or third category is called Murchita Kasar. Murchita Kasar. When Naradishi, he second life, that is called the son of Dasip, the maid-servant, Dasip. But all they are Uttam Bhagavat. Understand? Uttam Bhagavat start from Bhavdasha. Understand? Kanishta is coming from Nishtha. Then Ruchi to Asakti, that is called Madhyamadhikari. Then one who attains in the Roti or Bhav, that is called Uttam Bhagavat. But Uttam Bhagavat, this category is just many categories Uttam Bhagavat. যাহারে দেখিলে আইসে কৃষ্ণ নাম তাকে জানিও তুমি বৈষ্ণব প্রধান উত্তম ভাগবত just taking his darshan then Krishna naam automatically what dance your tongue you tell to me have you seen have you Harinam dance on your tongue taking darshan why you just propaganda I'm not taking offense, but according to Shastra. Shastra. Have you realized today you saying, oh, he is Uttam Bhagavat, then you look any faults, oh, he is not Uttam Bhagavat. Many do these things and start to criticize to him also. So what is the meaning? What is your feeling? One day you say, he is Uttam Bhagavat. Okay. Then after a few years, then you looking his any then external faults. Oh no, he is not Uttam Bhagavat. So that means you are not Vaishnava. You are completely stupid nonsense. For this regard, sometimes you are saying he is Uttam Bhagavat, sometimes he is not.
Sometimes yes, sometimes not.
So that means you don't know anything.
According to their conception.
Just your speculative mind. Only your speculative mind, you are thinking, he is Uttam Bhagavat. If you know he is Uttam Bhagavat realization, your mind will never change. Fixed mind. It will never. But somebody saying, you are saying, oh, he is Uttam Bhagavat. Then again, next day somebody, oh, not he is Uttam Bhagavat. Then you are shocking. You are as like eggplants. Eggplants, once Akbar Badshah, I will tell you this story. Once Akbar Badshah, King Akbar Badshah, told his minister, do you know eggplant? No? Brinjal. Eggplant is very nice. You tell to her, eggplant is very nice. Then Birbal told, yes, eggplant is good. Do you know Birbal? Eggplant you can make and put in any subject. You can also what is called fried, make also a smash paste,
Cream,
pakoda, any kind, and pakoda and any kind. Yes. Eggplant is very nice. If you eat eggplant, it is very healthy. People, yes. Everything what you say, haji. Understand haji mane? Yes. Correct. Yes, correct. Then after a few minutes, Akbar Badshah told Birbal, do you know, eggplants are useless fruit, useless subject. If you eat eggplants, then itching will come. This is problem. If you eat too much, itching will come, and skin disease will come also. Useless, nothing. Eggplant not good. Then Birbal say, yes. Haji. You know?
Agree.
Right.
Then Akbar Badshah, they told, hey, When I glorify to eggplant, you also tell yes, yes, you glorify to the same. You agree? And when I told her eggplant is useless, that means usually why? That time Birbal told, listen, king, I am the servant of you. I am servant of king. Your servant. Not I am the servant of eggplant. My duties are glorified to king. If I glorify to you, then you will give me some money. Salary. If I against to you, then you will be angry with me. Then you will kicked out.
Yes. Resume.
Fired.
I am the servant of eggplant. If I glorify to eggplant or criticize to eggplant will not give anything me. So in the same way, those who have no realization, just someone saying, oh this, then yes. Then after a few minutes, oh not, he is not. Then say, oh yes. That means you are stupid, nonsense. Huh? And you do bhajan and sadhan, then you realize yourself. Once when you just newcomer in case of Gaudiya Math, I remember my realization always speaking. And staying after what is called morning walk, Mathura temple. Just a couple days I have come in Mathura.
Only few days.
Only few days. Then Gurudev after
Now you mean?
Brahmachari.
Brahmachari.
Understand? Then Gurudev after what is called morning walk, then he seated in front of his room. You know, Gurudev
Yes.
outside. That time little bit that place was not another. You have seen, eh?
Yes.
We know.
Down. First floor.
No, first floor in the left
Where the
side.
Tito Maharaj now said?
of
Same.
the
Yes.
But the room is not little bit same, little bit
Change.
You have seen, no?
Yes.
And you are seated also
With
for
the
the 7 and 4 around is also some bricks are used.
yes.
Yeah.
Eh?
There was
And people are
a
sitting.
small.
And the suite under the bed.
Samprashadam. He was keeping some prashadam
And
hidden
his box,
under his
and
bed.
his
box,
box
box.
also, the money box.
Yes.
Under the bed.
Okay. So Gurudev, you know, Gurudev Samaj, that time not outside people are coming, only you are few brahmacharis. Maybe. So Gurudev was a dog in affection. So Gurudev sitting, and I am sitting, and all brahmacharis also surrounded. Gurudev comes. Then just I told, coming out from my mouth, Gurudev, you are Mahabhagavat.
No.
That time I am a newcomer. I don't know any Shastra again. I'm simple at it.
Yes.
So that's why I told Gurudev, you are Mahabhagavat. Then Gurudev become very serious. Before you are laughing, joking. And when I told Gurudev, you are Mahabhagavat. Maybe I did some offense. And Gurudev looking his eye. His blue eyes.
Yes. Big.
Then my body start to say, he has committed some offense. Come. Oh my God.
Afraid.
Maybe Gurudev bitterly with me, maybe I commit offense. Even I don't know what is the meaning of offense. Then I come. Hey, come! Gurudev very strict. Hey, come! Oh my God. Then Gurudev come. Gurudev. Then Gurudev twist my ear. Very softly, gently. I start to cry, almost I start to cry. Then Gurudev told, how do you know I am Uttam Bhagavat? I don't know you are Uttam Bhagavat. But somebody
Told me.
told me you are Uttam Bhagavat. Somebody said this is not true. You do bhajan and sadhan, then you realize I am Uttam Bhagavat, Kanishta Bhagavat. No, even not you. I remember this katha. Even you cannot understand only the reading of the Shastra, you cannot apply. External you cannot apply. Shastra Gyan. Only your Shastra Gyan, you cannot apply this person Uttam Bhagavat, Kanishta Bhagavat, Mattam Bhagavat. How will do?
Theoretically.
Theoretically you cannot understand. When you receive this mercy of Krishna, do bhajan and sadhan. But very nicely explain in front of us. I remember this katha. You do bhajan and sadhan, chant holy name. Your realization will come. That is the perfect, and that realization will never change. Or somebody says, that's I told you. Gurudev Katha. Oh, he is Uttam Bhagavad. Okay, he is Uttam Bhagavad. Then after somebody says, no, he is not Uttam Bhagavad. Oh, he is not Uttam Bhagavad. So that means he is what? Eggplants.
Yes.
Akbar Batsa, he glorified to eggplants. Then eggplants is good. Then Akbar Batsa criticized to eggplants. I am saying this. So this is his word. Vaishnava Tattva is not this way. Do bhajan and sadhan, chant holy names, listen Hari Katha. Then automatically realization will come. Your realization will come. When your realization will come, that will be permanent, fixed. That means I am not saying to dishonor to anyone. Okay. Your faith is soft faith. And Bhagavad Gita Krishna says, no buddhi vedam janesu. Never to
Break faith.
break the faith through others.
That sense.
No buddhi vedam janesu. But not with you. One day you say, oh, Himanga, this. One day you worship his lotus feet, drinking, food bathing water. Uttam Mahabhagavad. Or then after that, oh, no, I did make mistake. Then criticize to him. So this is why. And you do bhajan and sadhan. Then we realize yourself. So now coming. Why I am saying this thing? Because chant holy names, Nam Sankirtan. In this Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan, you chant holy names, then holy names will give inspire in your heart. Then you realize, he is Uttam Bhagavad, Kanishta Bhagavad, Mattam Bhagavad, no. You can realize yourself. Many times I have told this story of, what is his name? Gadadhar Pandit Katha. Gadadhar Pandit, first he is thinking Pundarik Vidyanidhi. He is completely, he is thinking completely materialistic. Visay, Bhagavan listen. And then he realized, Gadadhar, what is called Pundarik Vidyanidhi, what kinds of Uttam Mahabhagavad. And another Katha?
Was a brahmachari.
Pradumna Brahmachari. Mahaprabhu told, go to Raya Ramananda, listen Hari Katha. But when he saw external behavior, then his mind was disturbed.
Lost his faith.
Lost his faith. But next day when he came, and he listened Hari Katha. So this is it. Hari Katha and Hari Nam. You can check that the person, what kinds of his devotee. How much he chanting holy names. Understand this thing. Chanting holy names or not. This is important because holy name will give these things. Or maybe one person chanting many holy names, but no realization.
No
Also not.
Harikatha.
Or some person chanting less holy names, realization is coming. How to conclude? When conclusion is coming, you do bhajan and sadhan. Then in your bhajan and sadhan, your realization will come. Gurudev, this is Gurudev Katha. Gurudev told. How will you realize he is what category of Vaishnava? Not only Shastra. Rupa Goswami Krishna di jasa gari tam manasadri dikhasite panati vishcho sususwa bhajana vikram ananna nindadi sunna hidam isruta sangalabdha. Categories of Vaishnava. Krishneti jasa jam manasadri. One who chants holy names and following the four principles, but yet he has no guru. Krishneti jasagri tam manasadri. Yet then you also give respect to you in your mind because still he has no guru.
Offensive.
Krishneti jasagri tam manasadri. Dikhasti chet, when he received Diksha mantra from Guru, bona fide Guru. That time you also offer your pranam to him. But here chet, these words you say, also just he received Diksha mantra from Guru, but still his no Samandha Gyan. Because Samandha Gyan not one day coming. But that time also you give respect to him, do pranam in your mind. Or when is Diksha received the Samandha Gyan, then you do pranam to him. Krishna Sagri Tangman said, Dikka is pranam to him. Sususa Bhajana Biggam. You have to serve this person who is very expert. Bhajan and sadhan. Vast of knowledge of the Shastra Gyan. Understand? And you associate with him. This is the process. So, Krishna Jasagri Tangmanasadi Dikachit Panatulischo Sususwa Bhajana Biggam Anannan Nadi Sunnam. One would never criticize to anyone. Kaharan Ninda Pari Krishna Krishna Pari. Kaharana Ninda Pari. Never criticize to. I saw my Gurudev Bhaman Goswami Maharaj. This is not anything. This is Narayan Goswami Maharaj. He also told his own monk. He told Gurudev words. I just repeat the Gurudev words. Gurudev, sometimes we also saying, oh, this is good, this is that, this thing. But Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, never he also have comment to anyone. Gurudev many lectures. And especially in the appearance day of Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, that time Gurudev, he spoke about his glorification. I remember. Bhaman Goswami Maharaj never he comment to any Vaishnava. Is good or bad? Never comment. Gurudev told that sometimes myself or Trivikram Maharaj sometimes comments. But Bhaman Goswami Maharaj never he comments. Well, his life is completely what? Nirala.
Spotless.
Spotless.
Extraordinary. This is a Vinna.
Completely different from others.
Extraordinary. If you listen his any Hari Katha, never he comments anyone. Understand? This is it. And never he also chastisement. And he has so much love and affection all his God brothers. What the Gurudev told. Why everybody loves
So much.
to him? Because this is his qualification. He was the senior most devotee. He took Harinam from Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada. Or all the disciples of Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, they came maybe after 16 or 70 years. But he gives respect to everybody. So they told. Even I saw Narayan Maharaj, he is junior. Then Bhaman Goswami. But not bhajan. I am not compared to bhajan.
No.
Just
Arrival of the mat.
arrival of the monk.
Yes, yes.
Otherwise, I will be offended. Those who are disciples of Narayan Goswami, oh, you criticize my Gurudev. And even Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and when he used to come from Mathura to the Devananda Gaudiya, I saw my Gurudev Bhaman Goswami Maharaj. He used to go and directly also lay down and do pranam to Narayan Goswami Maharaj. I saw my eyes. I saw this. So Narayan Goswami Maharaj told, Bhaman Goswami Maharaj's character is completely what? External. I also chastisement someone. If anybody falls, Bhaman Goswami Maharaj?
No.
No. If any his disciple fall, then he will send to
Mathura.
Then Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he told, sometimes also joke with him. Hey, you are producing the children, or we are also cleaning their stool. Then he gives diksha, or I am to nourishment, your disciple. Then Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, he laughed. If anybody do any faults or complain to Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, Then Goswami said, oh, go to my guardian. He, which is this one? My guardian.
Yes.
Nan Goswami Maharaj. Any problem will come, then you send to. All he's saying, no, I am not senior. Trivikram Maharaj, Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, Nan Goswami, they are senior. They are senior. Then, if the Harikatha, then Vaman Goswami in front of them, now where the Vaman Goswami and Trivikram, maybe you have seen this picture, that is actual picture, in our Radhastam. That time Vaman Goswami and Trivikram Goswami Maharaj came. I remember. And they are sitting together.
All there.
All there together. In the day of Radhastam, I remember.
At Devanand Gaudiya. At Devanand Gaudiya.
No, that one. Keshavji Gaudiya.
Keshavji.
Keshavji Gaudiya Maharaj, many years before.
Yes.
That picture we are seeing, that one,
Yes.
the three are sitting.
Platform.
That is the Radhastam. I remember, I met myself that the
Platform.
Asana Temple. But Gurudev, Trivikram Maharaj spoke little, then Vaman Goswami very little. Then he said, no, Nan Goswami speak. So Gurudev Nan Goswami has so much eagerness,
To
glorify to Srimati Radhika.
Yes.
Even I saw our Janardhan Goswami Maharaj. He is the disciple of Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada. He always told, no, Nan Goswami speak Radha Tattva, Radha Katha. And he always told, Nan Goswami Maharaj is the Srimati Radhika's internal, what is called? Associate. He is saying this word. Many times. Sorry. So much glorification. This is their humility, Daya. Understand? We cannot recommend it who is Uttam Bhagavad, but we extend to see how their bhajan sadhan. I saw Gurudev Nan Goswami Maharaj, how he chanted holy names. Yes, sir. 3:30 he wake up and chanting holy names. Before he was not going to morning walk. So in the beginning he did not go. When it's a little bit heart problem, then doctor, no, you have to. Before I saw Gurudev wake up 3:30 and chanting holy names. Then coming Mangalarti, then again chanting holy names. Understand? Then he giving Harikatha. So it's Gurudev morning time. Gurudev is chanting holy names. And he reads books. I did not associate with Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, very little. But 30 years I associated with Vaman Goswami Maharaj, day and night. Always staying with him, always looking.
Full immersion.
So why I am saying this thing? Why I am saying Nan Goswami Uttam Bhagavad? I saw my own eyes. Why I am saying the Nan Goswami Uttam Bhagavad? Because I saw my own eyes how he absorbed with chanting holy names. Listen these things. And his Harikatha also. This is called the extraordinary. And everybody also are enchanted listening to Harikatha. Even the big Panditas.
Oh, yes.
You cannot imagine. This surprise when Gurudev Nan Goswami Maharaj glorified Srimati Radhika's Katha. And all Pandits' eyes become Rasgulla. Why this sloka was coming? Gurudev very humble told. I heard Gurudev told all Pandits, especially in the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu 500 years, what is called ceremony?
Yes.
Millennium Acharya.
Centenary, 500 centenary. And that time Devananda Gaudiya, about 150 what is called Panditas came. And also all Acharyas of Gaudiya Math. That is big festival in our Devananda Gaudiya Math. That time you came or not? I remember. So all Panditas speaking very nice. 3-4 days all Panditas speaking, and some Panditas speaking is only Sanskrit. Sanskrit Bhav, Sanskrit Bhav, speaking. Then last Gurudev, Nan Goswami Maharaj, he spoke. And Gurudev very humble told, all you are learned scholar, you are speaking very nice in Sanskrit words. Gurudev told, I never to attend in Sanskrit college, degree college. He told, I was police inspector, so I have tamagunas. Rajagunas, tamagunas. I don't know anything Sanskrit, and I cannot. How possible I will speak to them? But if you give blessing, something and can glorify our Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Gurudev, very nice, he says, Anarpita Charinchir, this sloka, and start to explain. Then Gurudev going to his
So many slokas.
and going to Radha Bhav, Mahabhav, and Prabhupada Saraswati is all sloka Radha Rath Sudhanidhi sloka. Then all Pandit. Gurudev told just simple words. Gurudev spoke, I remember, not Hindi, Bengali. Gurudev Bengali is a little bit simple and accent with
Little.
no, the accent with the what is called Bihari language, you know? Hindi and Bengali little mixed accent this, you know? Understand?
Yes.
Maybe you know that. Tomra acho kaman.
Different pronunciation.
Different pronunciation. But all Panditas. When Gurudev spoke about 35 minutes, then all every second they were, you cannot believe how Gurudev emotion and Gurudev spoke. This is Gurudev ki Jai Jai Shri Ram.
Also, when he stole Prabhupada Murti, the golden one, 82, Gurudev spoke for about 3 hours.
2 hours only Sanskrit sloka.
Only all sloka from all Vedas, scriptures, everything, you know, to glorify Bhaktivedanta Swami. So everybody, all full, all GBC, all
Krishna
elder
Balaram
devotee,
Mandir.
Krishna, full, you know, everybody, the most, important devotees there. You were there, no?
Gurudev and Krishna Balaram Mandir.
Yes,
At the
you
time,
were there too.
me and Somaka
Yes,
was there.
from Italy.
Incredible.
So
Incredible.
they were like amazed, everybody, you know, enchanted, everybody. Really, he spoke so nicely.
Yes, Gurudev.
In that case, it's so clear the difference, you know. When you see Gurudev and the others, the difference is very clear.
Many also saying, oh, why not going this Mahabhagavad, going to... I sometimes listen, by my heart is not touch. My heart is as like thunderbolt.
Yes,
So for this not touching. Because I listen Harikatha from Gurudev, associated Gurudev. So for this rigor, to others katha
nothing
not.
can be compared.
Already given to somebody. The heart already given.
Many people also, saying, oh, he is Uttam Bhagavad.
Yeah, there is.
Senior
Yes,
Vaishnava.
Yeah, okay, you can go. Your heart touch, so you are going. I
Yes,
am not
yes.
coming to you. I am not stop to you.
yes, it's
But
true.
my heart not. My heart is as with thunderbolt. So we pray to him. Maybe one day I can understand. Because I listen Harikatha from Gurudev. So when he compare to others, then I
No
cannot.
taste.
Haribol.
Yeah.
You can go. I'm not stopping you. I'm not stopping to you.
Yes.
You listen Harikatha, go.
Yes.
Your heart is touching. Higher than Gurudev. You listen Harikatha from Gurudev. I listen from Gurudev. Your heart is touching. So go. Why not? And I don't want to become Jimant. I cannot stop to you. You can go. But don't insist to me.
On me, yes.
Yes.
Lord Premanand.
Baba Maharaj ki
Jai.
jai. Gurudeva ki jai.
Yeah, Gurudev was how is it called?
Incredible.
Yes.
Unbelievable.
Uncomparable.
In very simple way.
Also,
Gurudev always saying, for the Gurudev always staying in Braj. He always absorbed in Braj.
was the presiding
Also-
guru of Braj Mandala.
Also, you know, the Goswamis, they are very, their books, very not complicated, but elaborated, you know, a lot of tattva. So Gurudev have a capacity to give very simple, all these books, you know, like everybody can understand.
I remember one Western devotee asked to Gurudev, oh Gurudev, could you explain more the katha about how the creation is going on? Then Gurudev told, you go to Trivikram Goswami.
He knows.
If you want to listen, Radha Tata Brata Kamu. He knows Tattva Siddhanta. It's very humble. You listen one katha.
Yes.
Sometimes in computer, sometimes listen Gurudev katha, Gurudev saying they were
Yes,
conversation devotee. Could you explain the 5th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam? Gurudev, you the 500 Trivikram Maharaj, go there. He come 10th canto to me. So that means you can say Gurudev does not know. You can say
No, of course.
Also, he has a lot of affection. Everybody enchanted by his affection.
Yeah.
Immediately.
It's true that Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur was keeping only some books for their disciples, or like some Goswami books like that they could not read. Is true or not?
Yes, it's true.
Everything cannot be stick.
But Gurudev gave everything. He opened up.
Gurudev is Gurudev.
Yes.
He always told, where will I go? Everybody should come with me.
Everybody. Yes.
Everybody have to come. And especially if Brahmacharya is not going, Gurudev will heavy chastisement. I
Yes,
remember once Gurudev told, so, okay, I'm going, everybody come. That Rasananda Prabhu, he told, no, I will not go, I will go to Vrindavan. Then Gurudev become very energetic. No, come with me.
Yes.
For preaching.
Yes, some Harikatha, some Hari forgot.
Yes.
Then he also came with Gurudev, you know.
Yeah, you want to catch everybody.
Yes. Gurudev, he told, what I am speaking, you keep, then one day you have need these things. Gurudev, why? Gurudev is one day Gurudev told, I am speaking. That thing, no one speak to these things. Gurudev told, one his lecture very clearly he told. What I am speaking, after my different, no one speak.
Nobody speaks.
Be able to speak.
You should write one book about your memories. Gurudev.